Have you ever wondered how trees communicate? You won't believe this hidden world. Trees, through their roots, send chemical signals via a network of fungal threads called mycorrhizae, often dubbed the wood wide web. This allows them to share nutrients, warn each other about dangers like pests, and even aid neighboring plants. A forest acts like a community, where trees support and protect one another, showcasing a complex yet fascinating ecosystem. Next time you're in a forest, remember that the trees around you are whispering. What's the last hidden secret of nature that amazed you? Like and follow for more.